Welcome to Sparks Toyota. Here we have a 2017 Mazda CX-5 Grand Touring. It has only one previous owner and comes with power heated mirrors with signals, chrome trim, deep tinted glass, and much more. 19-inch dark graphite alloy wheels, performance tires, rain detecting wipers, auto adaptive headlamps with delay off, fog lamps, and a strong 4-cylinder all-wheel drive with only 7,385 miles. A lip spoiler, the rear wiper, a power liftgate, the quasi-dual exhaust, a very spacious cargo area, and a comfortable back seat with cup holders. We can't forget about the power sunroof, the front row power heated leather sport seating, dual zone auto climate, a garage door opener, push button start, selective service internet, a leather steering wheel with convenience controls, the entertainment and navigation touchscreen with Bluetooth, Sirius XM and voice command, and a backup camera to make backing up a breeze. Please let us know if you have any questions, and thank you for watching.